Hello everyone and welcome back to the Avacast Tech. So guys, in this short video, I am going to show you how to check who blocked you on Snapchat. A lot of people don't know that when someone block on you on Snapchat, you can't understand it's blocked or not. So in this video, I am show you how you can check if someone blocked you on Snapchat. Without wasting any time, let's start video. First of all, open your Snapchat. Okay, in this section, you need to tap on chat. Okay, right now you can see a personal screen many chats showing here in my contacts right now. Simply tap on someone profile. Okay, right now you can see a personal screen. It's showing online and both images showing on its profile. It's mean these people don't block you. If someone blocked you, you disappear from his profile and it's showing only online. Okay, so by do that simple step, you can easily check that someone blocked you on Snapchat or not. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.